Hi there, friends. I'm April San Pedro. And
Coffee at Yellow Hauz.
alright, so we're here to show you a video of unboxing a package from Artillery PH. Some videos ago, I mentioned that I am one of their brand ambassadors, and I'm so happy to share some of their products with you. So if you're looking for new materials like for drawing, calligraphy, watercolor, gouache, and just simply for writing, you might want to check out some of the videos that I shared. And if you're from the Philippines, I do have a voucher for you, which you can find on the description below. So for today's video, I want to share this new package from them. I haven't seen it actually, and I'm quite excited to know what's inside. By the way, July is actually a watercolor month. So just in case you're looking for an inspiration for creativity, or perhaps you're looking for a new hobby, I'd want to check out watercolor prompts just to give you an inspiration. And Artillery PH has a Winston and Newton watercolor products, from papers to watercolors. So just in case you want to start learning some new skills, or you're already into it and you want to try other materials, then you might want to check out Artillery PH's shop. They also have a free webinar. I'm gonna link their Facebook page so you can be updated whenever they have a workshop, online webinar, and it's just for free. Alright, so what we have here, just in time for watercolor month, this is the first time I actually know that HIMI has a watercolor paint set. I'm quite excited to try this. And this one, I believe, is a painter's tape. This one is from the brand is Miya. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. So let's open this first, and maybe we can do
Maybe we can check the inside.
And then what else? Maybe we can also test it out.
Or test it out for a while.
Okay, so here it is.
Here it is. It's opening.
The box is so cute. You wouldn't actually think it's a watercolor set. And I think this one is different because it says here solid watercolor paint set.
Wow.
And here at the back, so it says bright colors, travel pocket kit, easy to use, safe and non-toxic, paintbrush included. Oh, I love that it is said that safe and non-toxic, because I love using watercolor with my son, so that is very important. Watercolor paper included. The box can use as a desktop bucket. I'm quite intrigued with this one because I know the brand HIMI, but I thought they focus more on gouache paints. But now I know that they also have a watercolor paint. So here's the kit. So it says here, this is the travel pocket kit. It's light, even though it looks like heavy. This one is, I think, a metal one, and this one is plastic, and there's a rubber handle here. So let's unbox the entire thing first, and let's check what's inside. Here's the entire kit in the box. Oh, this is so cool.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay, it's so cool. Okay.
Okay, I like that. So this one is just a case for you to carry with you, and everything is quite protected. And I love how this is such a handy it's a handy watercolor set.
Handy dandy watercolor set.
The watercolor set is so handy. It's light. It's made with metal, which I really like. And the palette has 3 divisions here, and there's another one that can be extended from the bottom, which is so cool. So you'll have more space for your watercolor painting or mixing. So yeah, it's kind of actually fun. So the watercolor set has 18 colors, and you also find in the box the color names and we'll try it out as well. Alright, so the other piece in the travel box is this. It's a watercolor paper that is already pre-cut. This is a cold press watercolor and it's 300 GSM. Yeah, it looks nice. So there's about 6 pieces of a pre-cut watercolor paper. If you're looking for a travel kit, this might be a good idea, which is also good for beginners. Another thing inside the box is this watercolor brush, which is so convenient, especially when you're traveling, because all you have to do is fill this in with water. And sometimes if water pot is not available, then you won't be needing it because this one comes in handy. So now that we're done unboxing it, let's test it out. Okay, so let's swatch this baby. But first, I want to try this painter's tape because I never had a painter's tape. And I'm very much excited to use one because I only use washi tape. And the difference between a washi tape and a painter's tape is the painter's tape, of course, it is meant for painting. Thus, it is best for your watercolor paper. It won't actually damage your paper once you remove the tape from it. My son and I will be swatching this. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
Instead of a paintbrush, this is a water brush.
And it's better because it
has water.
So all you have to do is squeeze the brush lightly, and once you see the water coming out of it, then you can just use it directly on the paint, just like this.
Just like that.
Let's swatch this. I'm just gonna use a water pot here so the colors won't be mixed since we're doing a swatch here. You wanna do the other one? So do the yellow, please. Just like this. And then put it here beside. Like that.
There you go. You finish 3 paints.
3 colors. Of the swatch. As you can see, as it says on the box, it has bright colors. I'm not sure yet if some has a glitter or shimmer maybe, or just a different pigment maybe, but yeah, like the earth yellow, this one comes with a little shimmer, and the ultramarine as well, and it granulates same as Prussian blue. After this, let's try it out. So first, let's try and remove the painter's tape here. As you can see, which I actually love, it can be easily removed from the paper without even damaging your watercolor papers. So that's the difference in having a painter's tape and just a masking tape or a washi tape.
What should I paint? I think the moon. Ouch. Come on, nag-draw yung block ko right away. Okay, I'm done with my scoring.
You're done? You're too fast.
You're so slow. Because you want to paint properly. I'm bad of painting.
No, you're not. You're very good at it.
But yours is better.
What are you trying to paint?
Trying to paint something weird, like a monster.
Okay, good. It looks like a beach or something.
Road. Do you see this road?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to draw cars. I'm thirsty.
Okay, so here's what I did. A sample paint using the paper and the watercolor set. And this is what my son did. He had fun using it as well. So as you can see here, the colors are really bright. So it is quite true what we saw on our swatch. And using a different paper with this and this one, the color is still bright. I like how the paint is not chalky. If you're new to watercolor, beginner, or you want to try out other watercolor set, this might be a good option because the quality is really good. The paper is good, although you only have 6 papers. The blending of watercolor, although that will depend on your paper, but so far I don't mind having the blooms like here. So yeah, I haven't tried lifting the paper yet, but we're not trying to review the paper. It's more of the watercolor by just seeing how bright the colors are. So if you're into florals, this might be a good set for you because it has bright colors. And since you don't have to think what other colors you might need, then you already have 18 colors with you. So a good set for a starter, as I mentioned a while ago. Let me sum it up. The watercolor set comes with the palette. It also comes with a watercolor brush, comes with 6 pieces watercolor paper, and it looks so cute. So if you're painting outside, if you like to travel, this one is really cute when you're going outside. So let me check if this will. Okay, so the water brush won't fit in there, but the paper will. So just in case you want to bring this with you like this. So there, it's so cute. So they're all safe in here. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and that you were able to find it interesting, and that if you're looking for a different material or you're trying to check out other materials and this one caught your eye, I hope this video is helpful for you, or at least you kind of learn what other option for watercolor you can get. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on my next one. Bye! Bye! See you again!